Hey, this is a review for the USB wall charger, 40 watt, 4 port charging block with the QC 3.0 section. That's the orange section as well. So, this has been a great little charger for us. Whether you have a personal preference, sorry about my mini Aussie Laney in there. If you have a preference about how it goes sideways or vertical, it's very useful if you need to plug up something below it. So, yeah, I highly recommend this. Fast charging and easy to take with.
Okay, so here is the fast charger. It says fast charging 3.0. Turn it to the side. You can see all the ports. I use it to charge my Bose wireless headphones and my iPhone. And it works really well. Like they were both charging pretty quickly. So I'm happy with the purchase.